Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you several easy ways to fix a zoom in screen on Windows 11, whether the problem is caused by display scaling, magnifier settings, or keyboard shortcut. This guide will help you restore your normal screen in just few minutes. So let's get started. So firstly, if your screen like this, just simply you can press the Windows plus escape button to exit the magnifier. Second thing, change display scale. Right screen on the screen display and click on display settings. Here you will scale. It will, if your screen scale like this 175 or less than this, you can click on this, then press recommended size 150. Next is, if your browser screen is zoomed in, like sometimes here you will see the browser screen is very wide. Whenever we search for anything, it will too much wide screen. You can simply press Ctrl plus 0 to reset this. Here you will see it will reset all the zoom. You can plus or minus according to your need. That's it. That's how to fix a zoomed in screen on Windows 11 easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.